Here is how to record a bill in Wave step by step. Begin by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu where the main navigation options appear. From there, click Purchases and then select Bills. This opens the Bills area where you can enter and manage bills you need to track inside Wave. When the Bills page is open, click Create a Bill. This takes you to the bill entry form. On this screen, start by choosing the vendor. Select the correct vendor from the list so the bill is connected to the right payee. Then choose the currency for the bill. Make sure the currency matches the invoice you are entering, since this affects how the amount is recorded. Next, enter the bill date and the due date. The bill date should match the date shown on the vendor invoice, and the due date should reflect when payment is expected. If there is an invoice number on the document, enter that in the invoice number field. If the invoice does not include one, you can leave that field blank if it is not applicable. After that, move down to the bill details section. This is where you enter the specific line item information for the bill. Choose the category that best fits the expense you are recording. The category determines how the bill is classified in your records, so it is worth checking that it matches the purpose of the purchase. Then add a description for the item or service. Use wording that matches the bill closely enough to recognize it later when reviewing your records. Enter the quantity next. For a single charge, this may be 1, but if the invoice includes multiple units, enter the correct amount. After quantity, enter the price for that line item. Make sure the price reflects the vendor invoice so the total bill amount stays accurate. If tax applies to the bill, select the appropriate tax setting as well. If there is no tax on the invoice, leave that part as it applies in your account. Continue through the line details carefully so each field reflects the bill you are entering. Once everything has been added, review the bill details before saving. Look over the vendor, currency, dates, invoice number, category, description, quantity, price, and tax. This final review helps catch any mismatched date, amount, or category before the bill is recorded. When the information looks correct, click Save. Wave will record the bill and keep it in the Bills section under Purchases for future reference and payment tracking. Your bill is now recorded in Wave.